Quadratic voting is a new kind of voting mechanism that was introduced by Stephen Palley and Glenn Weil in 2012. The goal of quadratic voting is to solve one of the biggest issues with existing voting schemes, which is that while traditional voting schemes let people choose whether they prefer option A or option B, they cannot express how much people care about their choice. So because of this, there is this famous quote that democracy is two wolves and a sheep voting on what to have for dinner. The wolf's desire to have a tasty meal overrides the sheep's desire to live because there's two wolves and one sheep, even though the sheep's wish is thousands of times stronger. Quadratic voting tries to solve this problem by letting you vote many times on an issue, but having each vote cost tokens. So your first vote costs 1 token, your second vote would cost 2 tokens, your third vote would cost 3 tokens, and so on and so forth. These tokens could either be just regular real-world money, or you could issue a special token just for the voting system, give people 100 tokens, and let them split the tokens between different issues. The reason why you need this special formula where the cost of each vote increases with every vote you make is so that you have this nice property that the number of votes you cast equals how much you care about some issue. So that is, if you care about an issue so much that you would be willing to pay up to 3 tokens to make 1 vote on it, then you would make your first vote, you would make your second vote, and you would make your third vote, but then you would stop there because the fourth vote costs 4 tokens and that's more than you're willing to pay, and so you would vote 3 times. If someone cares about an issue twice as much as you, then they would keep voting until each vote costs more than 6 tokens, so they would end up voting 6 times.